Imagine you're heading out on a road trip. You check the tires, the gas, and the oil. Everything is 100% ready. But 5 miles down the road, the radio falls out of the dashboard. In the software world, we call this the coverage paradox. Your dashboard says 100% of the test passed, but your users are still finding bugs. How is that possible? The first reason is shallow testing. It's like a chef checking a soup. If the test only checks if the spoon got wet, it passes. But the test didn't check if the soup actually tastes like salt or a sweet taste. Most automated tests just check if the spoon got wet. They prove the code ran, but they don't always prove the code worked for the person using it. Second, robots are logical, but humans are creative. A test follows a perfect happy path, step A to step B to step C. But real users, they click back 10 times during a payment. They try to upload a photo of a cat where their password goes. 100% coverage usually only covers the perfect journey, not the messy, real-world chaos that actual humans bring to your app. Finally, there's the green light trap. We get so used to seeing passing tests that we stop asking, wait, what is this actually proving? Tools don't find bugs. Curious mindsets do. If you stop being a skeptic just because a light turned green, that's exactly when a bug slips through the cracks. So next time you see 100% coverage, don't just celebrate. Put on your detective hat and ask, where is a hidden, unusual path?